These are some of the soft close hinges that I ordered on Amazon. So you gotta make sure that you check everything, that it will be a straight replacement. You see it has that mechanism on the inside. So this was a straight switch out from my regular hinges to soft close. And I did both the top and the bottom. Looking at the door, if I swing it like that, it'll kind of take its time and close softly. Same with the other side. No slamming on the doors. Now, one thing that I did realize is I replaced all of these hinges, but honestly, I think the motion was a little bit smoother if I just put one soft close. So if I left the generic hinge up top and just like put the soft close on the bottom, if you did it like that, it wouldn't have that like bounce. It would be more of like a premium, smooth, soft close. So that is something to consider if you want to save some money. Try it first with just one hinge before going the whole way. And then also on the smaller cabinet doors, doing both hinges, a lot of the time if you go there, it doesn't really have enough weight, so it'll get stuck like that. So I'll just push that closed, but if you did just one hinge, it would swing smoothly. So that is something to consider if you want to save some money. Try it out by just doing one hinge per door first. And if that doesn't work the way you like, then change both to soft close.